The reason they are more efficient, even though they are running longer, is because the equipment is designed to kick on at a lower capacity, and therefore it is pulling less power and also burning less gas in the case of a natural gas furnace, because it is running in a lower stage of heat on startup. And the reason you will get a more even temperature spread is that the fan is running for longer at lower speeds, and rather than getting blasted in certain parts of the home that might get better airflow, the house will get more airflow for a longer period of time, which tends to make the house have more even temperatures throughout the various rooms because you're getting more consistent.